About 20 years ago, I had a skiing accident in Canada, and I tore my meniscus on my left knee. And after that, they cleaned up the meniscus, whatever was torn, but then I didn't really seek any treatment after that. And then about 15 years ago, I was diagnosed with osteoarthritis in the left knee, and the doctor said that we needed surgery.
Praveen's cousin, gave him some tips about Dr. Mahajan, and then we decided to come here. It was very well organized staff. Before we came, they had given us all the details about Dr. Mahajan.
So all the way from Canada, he got in touch with us. He decided, after getting all his reports, x-rays, whatever we could help him out online, we formulated a plan for him. Based on that plan, then he came to India. He was again sent for some investigations. His workup, pre-anesthesia checkup, and all those things were done. After that, we planned a robotic bilateral knee replacement on him.
And based on that, we decided to take the step of coming to India and get the surgery done. So I basically got both the knees done. It was a robotic surgery, and it was on the 17th of January, and it's been now just about a little bit over 12 days since the surgery, and I've made remarkable progress from the surgery. Like, I started with a walker, and within a day I had a walking stick.
Within the next 48 hours of his surgery, he was up and about like a normal person, independently going to the washroom, trying to go up and down the staircase, walking into the corridors, and very happy with the decision he took coming down from Canada to us. And now he is on his path to recovery. I wish him all the best.
And I found all the staff very helpful. And of course, Dr. Mahajan himself was very impressive.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.